So, Nitin, how are you? Would you like to introduce yourself so that we can begin with the session today?
Okay. My name is Nitin Arya and I'm from Himachal Pradesh. I have just done my graduation in Bachelor of Science.
Okay.
Now I'm planning for Masters.
Okay. So, are you aware of the session document that we have for today?
Yeah, it was about celebrities.
Okay. So, are you comfortable with the topic, or
Yeah,
we should
yeah.
change it?
Everybody. Yeah.
What do you mean by a celebrity?
I mean, someone who is famous and earns much money and admire people. And there are different type of celebrities in terms of like some sport person, some is actor, and some of them are influencers. There are
Influencers. Yeah.
many people.
Your favorite celebrity is
uh, I mean, in acting way I like Ranveer Kapoor. I mean his acting
Ranveer.
is very
Ranveer
Kapoor.
Kapoor.
I love his acting. I mean,
Okay. Favorite
yeah,
movie?
not certain. I mean, I like all the movies, but Ye Jawani Hai Diwani I love. I mean,
Okay, that particular
in a
movie.
Bollywood way. I mean, but
Okay.
there are many
Apart from
movies.
anything else like acting or something you said, what else is there that you admire Ranveer Kapoor?
I mean, I really love his acting. I mean, he's very deep, man. I mean, first I have seen his movie like Rockstar Tamasha. There is a
Yeah,
certain message which he can only act. I mean,
deliver. Yeah, he has
yeah,
strong messages. Okay.
yeah. So
Okay.
I mean, I just love him. No, yeah.
What kind of life do these celebrities have? What do you think? How is their lifestyle? How do they live?
Oh, yeah, yeah. First of all, they have much money, which people usually don't have. They, I mean, they are in the 1% of the population, rich people population, right? And they are more privileged than us, you know. And I mean, yeah, they are all rich. I mean, and richness is include everything. I mean, where you go and you have money, so that's almost entitled you with everything.
What about the lack of privacy they get in their lives? Like everything is
Oh,
published.
yeah, yeah. I mean, there are also disadvantages like they have to maintain privacy, and in interviews they can't say anything that I mean that
Is
ruins
against
particular
something. Yeah.
ideology and religion.
Yeah. They
Yeah,
cannot
but
live a normal life.
yeah,
Everything
yeah,
is noticed.
yeah.
Okay.
But in all conclusion, they have very good life. I mean, you know.
What it takes to be a celebrity?
Sorry.
What does it take to be a celebrity?
There are two ways. First, you have to born with silver spoon, and second, you have hard work and luck with yourself. Then you are able to get it in
Which
today's world.
which celebrities do you think are the ones born with the silver spoon?
Silver spoon. I mean, there are
I think
many
your
silver
favorite
spoon.
one is one among them.
I guess Ranveer Kapoor is a silver spoon. Right?
Yeah, yeah, he is one of them. Na? He's born with a silver spoon.
But
He's born
he,
in the Kapoor family.
yeah, yeah.
So the
I
initial
mean,
struggle is not there. Like he got the
yeah,
platform on his
yeah.
own.
He was easily able to get there. Yeah.
Anyone else who are born with the silver spoon, so it's easy to get
Yeah,
in
yeah,
the.
there are many. There is a Tiger Shroff, and you know, if we talk about Bollywood and movies and people, lot of information to talk
Yeah,
about. So yeah, so there are many Tiger Shroff, and there is a Hrithik Roshan, and talk about female. There is a Nanya Pandey who has been trolled enough.
a lot.
And yeah, there are many. I mean, Varun Dhawan. Yeah.
Okay, those celebrities
And
who have earned everything on their hard work.
yeah,
Yeah.
I mean, I have seen you somewhere. I mean, Like, do you play guitar or sing?
No, no, I don't do anything such.
Don't know, but I have seen, like, you have same face like the girl I have seen in online. She plays guitar and sing.
No,
Her
I don't
name is
play.
okay, okay, no problem, no problem.
Yeah, there might
You
be a
are
coincidence, but I don't play guitar.
yeah, no problem. So
Tell me
you
some
were
of the
asking,
celebrity. Yeah, go
so,
on, go on. You're asking something.
no, you were asking me. I was saying continue.
I was asking, now tell me about the celebrities who are here on their position with their hard work and not with the silver spoon, who had to start everything from the scratch.
Scratch. Okay, there are many. I mean, first of all, Sushant Singh Rajput, is he was very hard. I mean, able to get he was able to get through all his hard work, and there is I'm not able to recall right now.
Shah Rukh Khan,
Shah Rukh Khan, he's
Ranveer
very
Singh,
I mean, Ranveer Singh and
Deepika Padukone.
yeah, Deepika Padukone
They
and
have made their place on their own, like no other ticket to
yeah,
Bollywood.
right. Yeah.
Any other sports personality or any other
Sports personality.
celebrity do you
I
follow?
mean, I have been playing golf since childhood. I mean, I was part of the, golf in my
Club.
since childhood, So I really admire Tiger Woods. I mean, since childhood, I have been watching him. I have been watching his uh, what do you call show? What do you call sports shows and tournaments? Sorry,
Tournaments, yeah.
tournaments. And in cricket, I really love Virat Kohli and Dhoni. I mean, most of people love. I mean, because they have come across such a way, come across, yeah, come
They
across,
have
right?
they have come across.
Across such a way. So is it and I really love A.V. de Villiers. He's a South African
Yeah.
cricketer, and there are many. If I start talking about them, it will. I mean,
Yeah.
the session will end.
Currently on Instagram, which all celebrities do you follow? Whose lifestyle do you follow? You see that this is going in their life. There are many accounts, celebrity accounts. Do you follow any of them?
No, I don't follow any celebrity, but I do follow influencers. I mean,
The Instagram influencers.
yeah, the
So
Instagram influencers. First of all, his name is Raj Shamani. Do you know
okay.
him?
No, I haven't heard about him.
And second one is, I mean, Shwetav Gangwar. He's a Mansutra. I mean, do you know him?
No,
No,
I
okay.
don't follow him.
I mean, I mean, I really want to meet them. I mean, it's in my bucket list. I really want to meet them. They really help me through in my, uh, what do you call it, bad times or
Uncomfortable times or
yeah,
the ups and downs of your life.
uh, so there are many, and especially I really love Bhuvan Bam. I mean, apart from his videos, you know him,
Whom?
Bhuvan Bam. I mean, he's a
Yeah,
YouTuber. Yeah.
yeah.
Apart from his video, I really admire him. I mean, he's such a favorite person. I really want to meet him. It's also in my bucket list.
There are
Yeah,
many YouTubers also, who create content.
yeah.
So, is there
But,
any
but, but,
famous
but
YouTuber that you follow?
famous YouTuber.
Anyone whom you prefer, whom you like?
I mean, I do follow many YouTubers, but there's a no choice such like favorite one, and so I follow everybody. I mean, I watch everybody. I not follow everybody, but I admire Bhuvan Bam and your Raj Shamani and Mansutra. These three people I really want to meet one
You
day.
follow them on Instagram and
Instagram and YouTube as well.
okay. Apart from being
Because
into
because
the
because I find my compatibility with their speeches and their all over thoughts.
I was asking, apart from being in the field of cricket or in Bollywood, do you think there are any other fields in which we have celebrities?
in which we in
Which
which
other
we should,
fields? Yeah,
which
apart
have,
from cricket
or
or
I mean we have.
yeah. Do you think celebrities are only in terms of sports or Bollywood?
No, 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 no. I mean, world is changing now. I mean, you can see celebrities in the form of any sort,
Common man?
right? Yeah, and politicians also there. I mean, who runs NGOs and social workers and
Yeah.
your, yeah, there are many people. I mean, I really love about the world is changing, India is changing,
Okay.
and
Do you wish to be a celebrity?
yeah, yeah. I mean, I really have a aspiration to make people life better and make give them different perspective of their life and solve their problems.
So, in what particular field do you think that you should excel yourself and be a celebrity?
Mm, you only think about like the way your life living and watching things around you, right? So I particularly watching videos of psychological things, how about human behavior and how to solve problem psychologically, and how to like the thing about like most of the people who are children, most of the people who are children who have, I mean, those are children who have aged, I mean, they have aged but still they are children, and that type of concept. Your voice is not audible.
It is called as Down syndrome.
Down syndrome. Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
that
You
particular
don't tell
thing
me
that
about
you don't have.
yourself. What do you do?
I work with Amazon as a seller support associate.
Okay, okay.
Yeah,
You from which place?
Mumbai, Maharashtra.
Oh, very nice, very.
Yeah. So talking about your conversation skills, first of all, I must tell you that you have good communication skills. You have communicated well throughout this session.
Okay.
Basic structure formation that is needed. You have
Yeah.
that understanding where to use what. But now it's time for you to focus on a bit more formal approach towards your communication. Be a bit more
Formal.
formal.
Formal in the sense I have to like professional,
You should, yeah, you should
advanced.
maintain eye contact,
Yeah, yeah.
and you should not look here and there while you're communicating, or you should not smile. Smiling is different. You should not laugh in middle of your conversation. Like if even if you're telling something funny, the
Okay, okay.
learner should laugh, the listener should smile because you said something funny. Okay.
Okay,
uh,
okay.
your communication should not sound more informal or more casual. It should have a bit of practical and formal approach.
Okay,
Rest
okay.
everything I found perfect. You have good communication skills and you speak well. You know where to use which word. But yeah, some words were used again and again. For example, you were telling, like that. So these are called as filler words. It happens when you
O-
don't find the next word what to say, you use these words in order to complete your statement. So this should not happen.
Okay, okay. Right, right.
Yeah, instead of saying those filler words, you should take a pause, breathe,
Okay,
and then use the next word.
okay, 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 okay. Right, got it, got it. I'm really glad that I can. I mean, I have, and you're saying about formal things. I mean,
Huh.
I'm
A
really
bit of
glad.
formal approach is needed. Rest
Yeah, yeah.
everything is good. Like even if you converse with this skill, it's okay. But I would recommend to be to be a bit formal, so that
Okay.
whenever you converse, your personality is outgrown. It outshines.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay, okay. Got it. Thank you so much. I mean, it's
you're
really.
welcome.
I mean, this was. I mean, this was different perspectives.
Yeah, because that's needed, right? That will enhance your speaking skills only. It will improve the
Yeah,
way
yeah.
you speak.
Enhance. Yeah, yeah. In enhance. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Right, right. All I
And
need is
rest,
Yeah. Continue.
A bit of confidence, uh, maintaining eye contact is necessary, and a
Yeah.
bit more formal approach. Rest, everything was good.
Yeah. So it will all complete by
Yeah,
practice.
definitely.
Yeah, practice. I mean, as much as I can, right?
Yeah, as much as you can. Practice makes
Oh,
a man perfect.
okay. Thank you so much, man. Thank you so
You're
much.
welcome. You're welcome. Is there anything else that I can help you with?
I mean, okay. I have one question. Like we
Yes.
have. I mean, I ask you. I mean, this is a question for you. Like, what do you do for stability and cultivation of your brain?
I practice the thing that I love.